Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor presented by PHP Frameworks team. I am Sanjay. We are learning WordPress basics tutorial for beginners and this is our part 4. In this video session guys, we will see that how can we install theme in our WordPress setup. And also guys, if you are a beginner to this channel then please don't forget to subscribe and keep watching our previous video sessions to get the clear concept about WordPress customizations. So basically guys, in our previous video sessions we had discussed about the WordPress installation, about the folder structure, as well as we had seen about the administrator menu system. So now it's time to install the theme in our WordPress setup. Okay, so just back to browser. So basically guys, in our previous video session, means in our part number 3, we have discussed that how can we install theme in our WordPress setup. So basically to install a theme in our WordPress setup, we have to just go inside Appearances menu tab. Inside this menu tab, we have to click on theme submenus. By clicking on these theme submenus, WordPress provides some of the free available themes from the WordPress repository. Okay, so if we basically install any themes from WordPress repository, actually that directory will resides inside just WP content. Inside themes folder, it will make a directory by the help of that theme name. So just back to administrator panel. Now I'm going to click on the appearances and theme submenus. So basically these are the 3 themes basically the WordPress default provides. So if we want to install some of the new themes, so just I'm going to click on the add new. And now the WordPress provides some of the free available online themes right here inside this theme repository. Okay, so just scroll down. We are going to install some of the random themes for our WordPress basics tutorial. So something called Uncode Lite. Okay, so I'm going to click on install. So basically guys, this is the pop-up actually asking for our FTP details, means we have to pass some of the information related with our FTP to install this theme. But basically if you are a Windows user guys, then actually you will not see this pop-up. This pop-up actually for our Ubuntu operating system users. But basically if you are getting this pop-up guys, then how can we remove this pop-up while installing our theme or plugin? Okay, so we have a constant, actually we have to define that constant in our wp-config.php file. Okay, so what is the constant? So basically in our second slide we have a constant called define fs method and we have to define called direct. Okay, so just I'm going to copy this constant, go to our folder structure. Now inside this theme root folder we have a file called wp-config.php. so inside this configuration file we have to just paste that code actually we have copied. So let's see that this is the constant called fs method, and now fs method has a value called direct. Okay, so just after pasting that we have to save this file. After saving this file, just back to browser and now reload this page. After reloading guys, if we click on our Uncode Lite WordPress theme, just I'm going to click on install, and now as we can see that the theme is installing without any pop-up asking for our FTP details. So as we can see that guys, our theme has been successfully installed, but right now it is not activated. So how can we activate that? So just I'm going to click on this activate button, or if you go to our themes folder, so just I'm going to open this themes. Now inside these themes guys, we have now 4 themes. As we can see, this is the installed theme. Okay, so if we want to activate that, either actually we can click on this activate button, or we actually click on this activate button right here. So let's click on the activate button. So successfully guys, we have actually activated the theme called Uncode Lite which we have installed. Okay, so if you go to the folder structure, so now inside WP content, inside themes, now we have a folder called Uncode Lite. This is the I think the WordPress has made the actually installed WordPress theme. Okay, this is the directory actually WordPress provided, WordPress created for our installed theme. Okay, so just back to administrator panel, and now if we want to go to front end section, just hover on that and click on the visit site. So basically guys, this is the layout, this is the structure actually the Uncode Lite WordPress setup has provided. So if we scroll down, now here as we can see that guys, this is the footer section actually the themes provide, and now these are the widget section. Okay, these are the menus, and this is the icon called WordPress Basics Updated. Okay, so if you go to our administrator panel, just close this manage themes, go to administrator panel, And now if I go on the pages section, so right now we have no pages instead of this sample page. Okay, so first of all we have to make some pages for this WordPress setup. Okay, so let's create some of the pages, something called home, or let's say about us. Okay, this is our first page. So click on publish. Let's create another page, something called services. Let's create another page called products. Let's say that our team. And finally we need to create a page called contact us. Okay, so this is called contact us. Okay, so if I click on publish, just reload this front end page, and now as we can see that these are the pages that we have created. So if I click on any of the page called about us, right now this page has no content. Again I'm clicking on contact us, this page has also no content. Okay, so basically guys, first of all we have to arrange all these pages in a proper well-defined menu system of this theme. So before making menus guys, I'm going to provide some of the dummy contents inside all these pages. Okay, so just back to administrator panel, and now click on all pages. So first of all I'm going to provide some of the data inside this about us. So these are the dummy data. Click on update, just go to back, click on contact us. Inside this contact us page guys, actually we need to make a form. Okay, so basically in our upcoming videos guys, we are going to install a plugin called contact form 7 for our contact us page. Okay, so just back to all pages, clicking on our team. So basically let's paste the content inside this page, clicking on update, just back to all pages section. Now inside this products, just I'm going to click on edit, paste the dummy contents, click on update. Next we have to go inside something called services. Okay, so basically actually we have made dummy contents to all the created page for our WordPress setup. Okay, so if I click on about us, so right now these are the content guys that actually we have provided for this about us page. Okay, next if I click on products, these are the contents, services, these are the contents. Next what we have to do, we have to remove all these widgets from this left sidebar. Okay, from right sidebar. Okay, so just back to administrator panel, click on the appearances, go to widget section, and now inside this widget section guys, as we can see that right sidebar widget area, actually the theme, this is the feature of the theme that we have currently activated. Okay, so just we have to drag and drop here, drag and drop. This means that we are removing the widgets from our right sidebar area. Okay, so basically we have made empty our right sidebar section. Okay, so just back to front end section, reload this page, and now all the widgets we have successfully removed from the right sidebar. So basically guys, by the help of this video session, actually we understood about that how can we install a theme if suppose we actually got the pop-up something called for the FTP details, we have to put a constant inside wp-config.php, as well as we have defined some of the dummy contents of our created pages. Okay, in our next video session guys, we can see that how can we make menus in WordPress system. And also we will install some of the helpful plugins to make this WordPress setup as a live website. Okay, so if you have any doubt in this video session guys, then please drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day.